5 of the most popular provider types licensed by AHCA have their own dedicated search and comparison tool on Florida Health Finder. Let's begin with the Assisted Living Facility Comparison tool. The Assisted Living Facilities Comparison tool is located here underneath Compare on the Florida Health Finder homepage. To begin, click Assisted Living Facilities, and on the next page, we see several resources dedicated just to assisted living facilities, such as educational resources and agency resources. If you have questions about what an assisted living facility is, this is a great place to find answers. To begin our search, let's click the button that says Compare Assisted Living Facilities. Here we see a map of Florida, and this allows us to proceed in several ways. We can choose to search Florida by region, and this refers to the 11 regions that AHCA has divided Florida into. Or we can search facilities by county, city, name, zip code, nurse availability, special programs and services, and activities. Today, let's search by city, and let's search by Tampa. So we'll enter Tampa in the search box, click Tampa when it appears, and then click the red View Results button. On the results page for the Assisted Living Facility Comparison tool, this is what we'll see. First, note our search parameters at the top. This is for the city of Tampa. And for assisted living facilities, the time period is a rolling 5-year window. That means that whatever day you come to the tool to search, the results will show from yesterday back 5 years. We can see in the first column that the assisted living facilities are listed alphabetically by name. The next column compares these facilities by their bed size. Next, the number of substantiated complaints are listed. Then the number of sanctions and final orders in that 5-year time period. The amount of any fines during that 5-year period. Then the deficiencies are broken out by class type, so we can see the total number of deficiencies, and then those deficiencies broken out by class type. Class types refer to severity. The next column shows the nurse availability for that facility, the number of programs and services, and then the number of activities. You can hover your mouse over the number in the number of activities column or in the number of special programs and services column, and those services and activities will appear in a floating menu. If you'd like more information about a specific facility, you can, of course, click the name of any provider in the first column, and this will take us to that facility's profile page. Finally, you can export your results to Excel. By scrolling down to the bottom of the screen, we can click the red Export to Excel button.